So inside of Corel Draw, when you make a new document, let's say for example, if I were to go around onto File and then onto New right here, then I can select a document right here and choose the different number of pages. Let's say for example, I have a 5-page document and I press OK, and then what happens is that I get a 5-page document right here. But what happens is that these 5 pages are separate, as you can see right here. There are 5 pages document, but they are separated by tabs. I can go around over here and go to new, let's say for example, and I can also go around and choose another page view, and that is the multi-page view right here. Once I do that, what happens is that now you can see that it is there on the same page right here, just like this. So you can also go around and toggle between these page views by going around onto Windows right here and by going around over here onto the pages right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go around onto Docker and pages right here, just like this, then these are the pages that you see on the Docker side, as you can see right here. So I can go around and zoom in and zoom out right here. And I can also go around onto single page view right here so that they are divided into tabs again, or you can go for a multi-page view right here and you can see the page right here. You can also resize out the pages right here, just like this, as you can see right here, and then rearrange it out as well, just like this. And this is how you can work around with multi-page document layouts. And the advantage of that is you can go around and create, let's say for example, a particular shape right here, and then you can simply go around and then place it in different documents just by clicking and dragging right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And if I were to go around and do that, I can overlap it and even keep these shapes aside for a while for later use as well, without keeping it in the document as well. And that is how you can work around with multi-page document layouts inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.